Alright, baby, black hole barbecue. We're at it again, man. We got some chicken thighs. We got some lemon pepper. These are just basic unseasoned drumsticks. I did them kind of peg leg style. And so, never did that before, so see how it turns out. And looking pretty good. I'm running a nice good 250. You can see. So we need to just start slapping these in, dude. Just like that. Nice warm day today. Gonna be checking out the women's World Cup final. So while that's going on, I need to be cooking. Hopefully it's a good game that doesn't result in another Japan win on a final. And see what's up, baby. You know what I mean? USA. Alright, we're gonna do with these. Line them up. That's kind of dirty now. Alright. Line them up just like this. It'll be good, some good eating today. Let me tell you. We had a good party last night with the boys. Vegas Pit Boys. For 4th of July. Got pretty wasted. And so now we're just chilling here. And I got some people coming down. You know, do it this way. Got some peeps coming down. And be a good day. Yeah. That's it, baby. We're looking good. Alright, baby. Here we are. Halftime right now in the game. USA 4-1 over Japan. It's a good, hell of a game, man. Even though it's women's, you gotta support the cause, homie. You know what I mean? So let's a little update. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Let the smoke clear out. Let the smoke clear out. Oh, dude, they're looking good. You hear all that sizzle? It's all the fat dripping off onto my plate, convection plate. And these peg legs. Looking good, man. Looking hell of a good. These lemon pepper. Look at that. These are just the regular basic ones. Whoever wants to put on whatever they want. Barbecue sauce, whatever. And these, the wife's making her famous barbecue sauce. And we're looking good, man. This smells hella good. Probably gonna introduce the hot links in a little bit. And having a good day, man. Having a good weekend. Yay. Barbecue Pit Boys for life. Alright, baby, here we are. USA won the whole World Cup. 5-2. Yeah, 5-2. Been drinking, man, having a good time. That was a hell of a game, man. That was a hell of a game. So, let's check up on these things. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That skin's crispy. It's good. It's good. Just flip these over. Oh, yeah. And just put some barbecue sauce on them. And flip them back over, and I might move them out to the back a little bit, because that bottom's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's pretty good, man. Got a good bark going on. So let's just slap these babies on. Oh yeah. Look at that. Smelling good, man. Oh. Yeah, so if you guys seen that game, man, that was a hell of a game, dude. Them women had some good scores. And gotta give Japan for coming back and kind of making it of a game, but a little too late. We did the damage in the first 15. All right. Must have hit something. I'm back. Anyways, we're gonna do these up, turn these over, and we'll hit the other top. And I might we're gonna start putting on some stuff. Alright, baby. We got some little baby portobello mushrooms. Looking to be going good. Oh yeah. Just throw these in here, move the chickens on the side, which are pretty much done. And these things are gonna go good. Melt these down, cook them up, don't take too much, and we're ready. Look at that. Oh man. These are like perfect bite size. Too bad they're not magic mushrooms. Oh yeah. So I'm just having a good time, dude. Enjoying that USA win. Put these on here. I'm gonna eat up real good. I got a homie, I got a pit boy brother coming from Cali right now. Should be rolling up in a minute. Big time. Mr. Ryan Cook and his family. And it's gonna be a good meal, dude. Look at that little drive-by. Boom. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's smelling good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. You want fat? I'll do a little pitmaster privilege. Let me grab the one I just scooped up. Oh man, this is some bomb shit, dude. Look at that. Yeah. Fingers are looking good. Yay, yay. Life's good, baby. USA, baby. Yay, yay. Alright, baby, here we are. We're just about done. Get these up right now. Oh man, look at that. They look good. Look at them shrooms. Damn. Some good stuff. Here I got a little surprise. I got a homie coming over.
Big time barbecue, baby.
So what's up, brother?
Not much, same old, same old.
Yeah, look at his hat. Look at his hat. Is that a badass hat or what? Look at that. Oh yeah. You guys know you guys want one. And look what I got. Oh yeah, I got hooked up. Pit boy love right here, baby. Barbecue pit boys for life. Black hole. Yeah, yeah. So we're just having a good time, dude. They just showed up right now. This food's done. We're gonna eat some good meat. Good food. Good company. Life's good, baby. Look at that. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I got groped. Yay, that was a finale.
No?
That's it.